Hello everyone, today I'm facing this issue and I'm gonna tell you in this video how to solve this issue. So first of all, play again. So this is the issue I'm facing. So how to solve this issue, I'm gonna tell you some simple way to start this. So the thing you need to do is just to type start, like we have on upper side, start with small letter, start. Here we go, and now we have a start now button again, and they said frog airdrop wallet verification live till 4 October and check your frogs. So now I'm gonna open it, start now. So we have new interface. They told us to connect your wallet. My Tron wallet is just moved, so I'm gonna recover my Tron wallet, so please wait until I recover my Tron wallet. Here we go. I connected my Tron wallet. Now they told us to transaction 0.3 Tron, and then it will be open properly. So I'm clicking on this complete transaction, close wallet, expire again, and open wallet. The transaction in progress. Here confirm. Back to frog community, and they said transaction in progress, your transaction is being processed, please wait. So frog community is not open properly. They told us to transaction complete. I've done my transaction, but they told us your transaction is failed, your transaction declined. So I think it's a fraud, so you don't need to transaction your Tron. I think it's a total fraud, and they are not yet to get Telegram blue tick. It's not authentic project, so you don't need to waste your money on this project. Instead, save your Tron coins for other best Telegram projects. So this is all about my video, and we'll see next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.